Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a fillable text box border color and thickness. Open your fillable PDF form and I'll change this text box border color and thickness. Now click on this form option and select this select field option. Now click on this text box and select, and here you will find this properties option. Again click on this properties and properties dialog box open, and click on this appearance option, properties dialog box, and this is border color option. Here select default color and this is more color. I'll cancel it and I'll select this default color, this one, and this border thickness I'll make it medium. Now select colors. Now click on this hand option. See this text box border color and thickness now sense, and similarly I'll change this text box color and thickness. Do it similarly. Properties dialog box. This color. So this one. Thickness I make it thick and colors. And see this. Yeah. In this you can change text box border color and thickness. And finally save this file option, save or save as. Hit fillable PDF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.